Everybody, this is Roxy, and I am sharing the Amy Jordan, the paper Tabby, her subscription box. I decided to order that this year because they're just phenomenal, and you can do so much with them. She always includes some fabric and trims, of course I have a couple of these somehow. Must have found them somewhere. But so that's just kind of a fun little thing to have. And she's got so much ephemera. She said, I think once in her video, she said that her and her kids go to estate sales, and I'm sure she's got them pretty much trained on what she's looking for. So these are her designs, which are adorable. This is what covered the paper or held it together. Some vintage stamps. Those are really cute. And a sticker, present sticker. Some S&H stamps. These are her designs, which are really fun to have. It really ties it all together. Cute little, isn't that cute? It's for you, milk, and that. I've seen those before. I don't know where or how. So that's the little smalls. Then the next level is kind of stationery. Small stationery in that. This is her design. So how cute is that? So pretty. That's cute. Gift Co. ink. That's really cool. Nice doily. Little baby envelope. Postcard. And a big envelope. Super cool. She has a lot of attention to detail, which I like. It's very inspiring. Here's another one. And sometimes I'll scan, if I, something I really like, I'll scan it in on my computer. Like, this would be fun to have, more than just one. If you wanted to make some books or journals, that's really pretty. Little Rolodex tag. Some vintage calico and wrapping paper. Oh, it's so thin. How do they keep things wrapped? It's nice though. Like that I would probably scan in just to have for backgrounds maybe. And this is really cute. The little logo up there. I just love them. Oops. I feel like I'm using my feet to do this, not my hands. And then this is the last part. So another pretty doily. I think that's her, maybe, I think that's her paper. That's really pretty. So I've got a lot of old ephemera too that I can add to these. These are always fun to work with. Ooh, nice parchment. Cool. It's really very clever. Cool. Joe's mushroom clam dip. Ooh, they liked stuff back then. That's pretty. Here's some more wrapping paper. Ooh, double-sided. That's nice. That's cool. And a couple more sheets. There we have it. So, again, this is the December kit. And I have a January kit that I'll show next. Coming up. So, thanks so much for watching. Amy did offer a 20% discount in her Etsy shop. Not on the kits, but on everything else she has. And you'll find a lot that you want. So head on over that. It's Roxy 20, ROXY 20. And thanks so much for watching. Bye.